Alright, so since we have learned how to create URLs, how to use path variables, how to create view functions, now we will learn about how to return HTML response. Firstly, go to the settings.py and make sure in the templates settings, backend has been set to Django templates. This option is true, app dirs, and the options also match. Once it is done, so template settings define where to look for the templates, what templating language will be used, and some other options. Now let's create our first template. You can close the settings.py, create a new folder, templates. In the templates folder, create a to-do folder. In the to-do folder, create your index.html. So in the templates folder, name of the app, then inside it, name of your template. So I have created a simple HTML page and I'll just give it some style. So this is the HTML that I'll be using for the index page. Just make sure it is inside a folder called templates, name of your app, and your HTML file. So instead of returning this HTML response, we are going to return our HTML. How do we do that? We will use this render function from Django. Render function combines the data and templates and gives back HTML response. Request in the to-do folder index.html. This much code is enough to return HTML response. The render function takes in the request. It takes in the path where your HTML file is. Now pay attention that it starts from the templates folder. So you don't have to write the templates folder. You just write what's inside the templates folder. If I go back to the index page, this is the index page, and you can see this is the same HTML that we have created. Let's add some dummy text as well. If I reload, we can see text here. This is how you return HTML page. Let's create another one. Profile.html. Another file, to do item.html. Alright, now move back to the views. My to-dos profile and use it to do. We have to create another one. New file, to-dos.py, to-dos.html. Save it. Now go back to the views. My to-dos will replace it with the render request, comma, to-dos, to-do slash todos.html. For the profile, this will be replaced with render request to do slash profile.html. For the last one, it is going to be render request to do slash to do underscore item.html. And that's it. Now if we move and visit different pages, to-dos, I guess my to-dos, these are my to-dos. Let's move to profile slash Rishabh. This is profile page. Let's add something at the end of the URL again, to do page. Right, so we can see each template is now working. Right now it is just returning the same HTML that we have created. But later on we will see how we can change the data, how we can change what is being displayed based on the data requested by the user. So that's it for this one.